Hi guys, welcome to BobzyBounce. Today we'll be putting new parts on. Yeah, new bumper, yeah! Today we have Mr. Jahanzeb.
Hi guys.
And we got Mr. Hamza.
Guys, how you doing?
Hamza. We also got the Indian. Hello.
What's happening?
So basically guys, we're going to be putting the rear bumper on and the side skirts, bottom side skirts. So once it's done, show you the end result. Stay tuned guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned guys. So far guys, as you can see, we've taken the left hand side light out. We'll be taking the bumper off, putting the new, what's it called, bumper in it. Yeah. So guys, the stick of truth. It is real! It is real! Don't worry guys, it is real! Feels so amazing. You alright? So guys, we managed to take one side of the bumper off. As you can see, it's pretty easy to take off anyway. The help of Jahanzeb, just standing there watching me do everything. And we got Mr. Sadil here, smoking his shisha pen. So guys, it's starting to get dark. Nearly done. Just need to put the number plate on. Then we put the bumper. These guys have been no help. Hi guys, today we'll be continuing what we were doing before. I put the rear bumper on, but obviously it decided to get dark, and us being midnight mechanics, we were doing it at a stupid time. What we managed to get done today, we'll be putting the front bumper on and maybe the bonnet. So this video guys, this is part 2 of our bag 4 build. So far we've just doing the cosmetic at the moment because bodywork is very off-putting. So I'd rather get the cosmetic done first, then we'll move on to the mechanical work. Not a lot needs doing, but it's, you know, like bits and bats. I think the intercooler pipe it's loose, so it's leaking boost. So the full potential of the car is not there at the moment. So once I've fixed the boost issue, you know, it'll pull like a train. Let's go! Guys, that's one bolt. Look how rusted it is. So guys, I'm just going to show you. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on top, and there's also bolts inside the wheel arch. I don't know if you can see some few bolts here. There's the intercooler. And I think there might be a few underneath. So guys, basically I've taken the wing off. Yeah, the lights, they're all out. And we have our midnight mechanics working on their cars as well. So guys, as you can see, it's worse than it actually was. It had a big hole there. It was rusted all the way inside. Whew. So yeah, I'm glad to change the wing. So guys, managed to put the wing on. Looks a lot better than before, to be honest. It's not the best of wings, still got a few rust patches underneath the wing, but apart from that, it's better than before. Time to put the side skirt on, and then we're done. So guys, that pretty much wraps it for today. I'm not going to show you how the car looks, but once we have cleaned it, washed it, buffed it and everything, it's going to look a lot better than before. The parts that I bought, they're not 100%, they'll do for now until we can get them resprayed. Bob hasn't seen the car as of yet. I will show him in the next video. So guys, make sure you are tuned into BobzyBounce. The next video will be the reveal the whole car. Surprise Bob's as well, because he obviously he hasn't helped me no, obviously he's busy. Bob has been busy with his business, so obviously he couldn't help me, so I've been at it by myself. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified when we make the next upload. So guys, this is BobzyBounce signing out.